Here's something most designers don't realize. Your time management during a whiteboard challenge is a direct reflection of how you'll handle product delivery in the real world. In other words, how you manage your time equals how you manage your work. Interviewers use this as a subtle hiring signal. They're not just watching what you design, they're observing how you organize your 45 or 60 minutes. Do you plan well? Do you move steadily? Do you know when to stop polishing? Let's look at 4 simple ways you can demonstrate strong time awareness during your challenge. The first step is to plan before drawing. Most candidates rush to the whiteboard the moment they hear the prompt, but the best designers pause first. Take 2 to 3 minutes to outline your approach. Define the goal, clarify assumptions, and decide what parts of the flow you'll focus on. That short planning window will save you 10 minutes of backtracking later. It also shows interviewers that you're methodical, that you don't dive into execution without strategy. Think of it like product delivery. Great designers don't just start building, they start framing. Next, complete what you start. This is one of the strongest signals of design maturity. Instead of trying to cover every edge case or every possible scenario, focus on finishing one complete critical flow, even if it's simple. A complete coherent journey always leaves a stronger impression than a half-finished complex one. It shows that you can prioritize effectively and deliver value within constraints, which is exactly what you'll be expected to do in real product work. The third, show routine progress. Think of your session like a mini sprint. Don't pause for too long in one section or overthink transitions. Keep moving steadily through your plan. That visible momentum reassures interviewers that you're structured and reliable. It communicates this person can manage ambiguity while still delivering. Even small cues like narrating your progress, for example, saying, "All right, we've framed the problem, now let's explore one flow," help keep the energy balanced and the interviewer engaged. And finally, avoid detail traps. This one's tricky because designers love refining things, but remember, this is not the moment to perfect button radius or spacing. It's about showing design thinking, not pixel precision. Know when to stop. When something is good enough to communicate your intent, move on. That ability to balance depth with speed shows that you can manage both quality and time pressure, a rare and valuable skill. So when interviewers observe your time management, they're asking themselves, if this person were managing a real feature or sprint, would they be able to plan, focus, deliver, and adapt? The whiteboard challenge gives them the answer. So plan smart, keep a steady rhythm, finish what you start, and don't lose yourself in the details. Because managing your time well doesn't just make you look organized, it signals that you think and work like a true product designer.